Hello sim racers, welcome back to another video. Are you a sim racer struggling with limited space, opting for foldable cockpits like the next level FGT Lite, GT Lite or Playseat Challenge instead of a full-sized rigs? You may be facing some common problems where the pedal plate shifts sideways and the rig lifts during heavy braking using load cell pedals. I have found something online which should resolve these problems. It is a reinforcement clamp from Indigo UK. Indigo has developed this product, the Pro Pedals Pivot Reinforcement Clamps for GT Lite and FGT Lite. Will these clamps resolve the problem of pedal sliding sideways and the rig lifting during heavy braking with load cell pedals? In this video, I will walk you through the unboxing and installation of these pedal pivot clamps. At the end, I'll discuss whether this product helped me solve the problems or not. So watch it till the end or skip to the part which you are interested in using the timestamp in the video description below. Here I have the package from Indigo which comes in a simple packaging. It includes paper cushioning instead of bubble or plastic wrapping. Inside, there's an installation guide with clear instructions on how to fix it to the rig. Next, I have the pivot clamps itself. It is of high quality, being 3D printed with almost 100% infill. It feels heavy, so I am confident it can withstand high pressure during heavy braking. There is a pack of screws and nuts along with the required Allen key. Installing the pivot clamp is straightforward and the steps are very well documented in the manual, so I will not go into too much details. Let's start the installation process. First, I need to remove the standard hinge clip, which I have secured in place using a thick layer of insulation tape. This method is not ideal as it leaves some glue on the floor. I will unscrew the original hinge clips and cut through the thick layer of insulation tape. This will make space for the new pivot clamps. After aligning the clamps, it looks like I will need to move the pedal plates away from the clamps to secure it in place. I thought these pivot clamps were accurately designed for the next level FGT Lite, but it seems my rig have a slight extra bend in the pipes, making the clamp not fit snugly. I think I need to grind the inner curves of the clamps to make it fit snugly on my rig. This is a common problem with 3D printed parts and it can also vary with different batch of the same rig. After grinding the inner curves on both sides, this is what the pivot clamp looks like. Now it fits perfectly on the rig. I will align them under the rig, then use my 0.5 Nm stock electric screwdriver to tighten the screws. Try not to over tighten them as these are 3D printed parts and can crack easily. Next, I will move the pedal plates back to its original position and arrange the cable as they were before. This is what it looks like after the successful installation of the pivot clamps. With the Pro Pedal Pivot Reinforcement Clamps for GT Lite and FGT Lite, I was able to prevent the pedals plate from sliding sideways and reduce it lifting during heavy braking. Additionally, it allows the pedals to be raised and folded so the rig can be stored in the corner. I hope you found this video informative. If it helped you in any way, then subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like and share it with your sim racer friends who have a similar sim rig. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.